printed this, what is supposed to be a really cool glider, but I think I'm not good enough at first layer calibration to do a good job at it. Let's see if we can pop it off. It's working. Gentle, gentle. Don't tear, don't tear, don't tear. Okay, there we have it. A brand new glider. An inaugural flight test of the 3D printed glider. Number 1. I expected it to just work for some reason. That really sucked. Like, that, it flies as poorly as a paper airplane. Like, yeah, that, okay, never mind. That, cool idea, just flawed execution.
Alex broke your 3D print black robot.
Okay.
I literally walked outside today and I cried. I was like, no more gorgeous weather.
Oh, this is not good. The top looks better, surprisingly. These boys love their mama so much. Aww. All right, Flu and Family Health Report. Daniel, how sick are you? Alex, how sick are you?
Good.
Mama, how sick are you? I'm not sick at all.
Gosh.
Decorating for Halloween? Did you guys see this one?
Any chance you can something else?
Like a full eraser or a paper towel? What would you like?
Yeah, what paper towel?
100,000,003,000 thumbs ups.